live in alone. I have no option to go outside and purchase my personal thing. So I have only one option: buy online.
My Ammi is living the 21st century, but my Ammi never said to ki I want to purchase this thing.
But today,
why? Because she is using her his wisdom.
Problem. If you earn 20,000 and your wife demands,
then ma'am, it is your husband problem, na? Why is he earning 20,000? Why he is earning 20,000?
Apart from this, there is no security issues of getting the credit card, debit card, and all the bank details leaked in the offline shop.
We are going to discuss about that which online and offline shopping is important. Our team is supporting the offline shopping is important. That according to me, really offline shopping is important, that we can really feel, we can really touch the product if we are going to purchase any product in offline market. So we can feel directly in the online. If we don't want to purchase, it means we have to return back and we have to ship, we have to pay the delivery charge. But in the offline, there is the instant action. But online shopping is playing with our emotion, that in the online shopping, that companies are identifying with the help of social media, that I have a watch. It means all the companies are able to identify that what is our need, that our body is in need of the water, my heartbeat, and in the which platform I am using, that YouTube and Facebook, what I am searching, that they are able to identifying that what is need of us. And that's why our emotions are also increasing, that I am not earning lots of money, but I am thinking that because I am scrolling the reels, and I am thinking that really I have to purchase these type of things. And in the social social media, that all the person only for the show off, they are only able to show that if a person don't have these type of things, but that person want to show, to take from other person, to take from other person, and that make reel and return back. But if we will see that type of reel, so it means we will see that we have to purchase, that my neighbor and my family member also having these type of things. It means we have to also purchase. It means our needs are increasing, our social, our financial also decreasing. Financial increase, our income is going to other countries. But in the offline, I want to go from here to 10 kilometer, but in the online I have to pay 200 rupees by the Rapido. But there is the intermediator. It means the most saving income is going to that person. But if I will go directly that person that providing me directly help, it means I will pay to taxi person. The income of taxi person will increase. So according to me, that offline mode of the shopping is very important, that all person want to share their opinion.
All right, very nice. Any question, please?
As my friend Kailash said, that in offline shopping we can do social interaction and gala time with our family. Sir, I would like to suggest you, it doesn't matter. You can buy it. It is not depend at all. Okay?
According to me, I want to clarify.
And one more thing, you said that social interaction. By that, it not means it not depends. It does not mean, and it doesn't depend on offline shopping. When we go outside, that time we will spend our gala time with our family. Like a social interaction. I was talking about social interaction.
You are living in the offline mode and in offline era and in offline world. And you are living in social life with your families, with your parents, even within all the world members. But you are going to become like online mode. It means you will become online, but you cannot become online mode. It means only person want to spend their time in scrolling and don't want to spend time with their friends, with their family. They only invite why the medium of the online. It means in the future all person don't want to interact with all person, don't want to interact with single person. It means everything will happen in the online mode. How it's possible? According to me, that social importance is very important, sir.
In future, people are not interact with each other. How come we say that? That's why we are not going offline market, because we want to expend our time with our family, have a gala time with our family. That's why we are not going to outside. Like we are. If I am,
I want to say, I want to say that's your responsibility to.
First of all, there are many ways for expanding with gala time, for tourism and other things. Why are you need to go in for market for shopping?
That can be a medium. Like if there is, we are discussing only the soaping. It means we are not discussing the other medium, that how that's weak. We are discussing about that there is how in the soaping medium, that only if we are going to purchase any type of things. So we are discussing, and according to me, there I have one strong point, that in the offline mode, we are only purchasing valuable product in only offline mode. That I want to purchase that one car and one bungalow, one house, and lots of things. That value is high. So it means indirectly you have to agree that we want to feel first. In the offline mode, that I am paying if I am paying the money in crores, that I want to feel indirect. I want to feel directly, but there is the very less.
Not come in shopping. You need to understand.
That is the soap. That is the soap. You are purchasing these type of things. It means you are not agreeing.
Toy car coming online.
It means all the costly things are not in the shopping.
Yes. Shopping means you have to go and purchase lots.
You don't know that you only thinking that lipstick, bindi, and these type of lots of things.
Yes, it is come on shopping.
Only that is not shopping.
Yes.
Costly product can be in
What is the
the.
meaning of shopping?
For car,
You have to tell what is the meaning
If I
of
want.
shopping.
no. Let me tell you. When you will buy online car, at that time there is a many more reviews, and you can believe by that, if that company give you that car, that car will broke like after 1 month, that 6 months, you can do case, and by that case that company will be bankrupt. You need to understand, sir. By online shopping you can buy A to Z. Okay.
But you can see that car, and you can modify, you can check, and you can drive that car in offline mode. And you said that what is shopping, what is our needs, that and what we want to buy, that is shopping. Now we can't say that only lipstick, bindi and clothes are shopping.
We depend on reviews. Okay. In online shopping there is a for refund option. In
the online mode, that one another point, that in the online mode, that I don't want these type of things, but I have to return back. So it means I have to pay that delivery charge. What about that?
No.
What about that?
Company doesn't charge delivery.
No.
Company.
No.
And what about you? Taxi charges.
It is rarely.
What about you? So taxi charger not give you again.
If we are in the online mode, it means we are like window shopping. We are doing window shopping every day. If we don't have money, but we want to see these type of product every day, and we are losing time. But there is compulsion need that type of product. So that's why we have to go.
It is your misunderstanding. How come you say that
we will definitely purchase that what are the needs, but online mode we can purchase, we cannot purchase. We are losing time.
Let me tell you.
How can find the actual price? Our shopkeepers take more charges.
But when
In the online mode, 100 rupees price. So we can believe that price is real 100.
But
it's not mean that we can see in lots of. It doesn't mean that we can see in the lots of platform that its price is.
So what can do?
And in the offline we can get discount. In offline that we can get discount, because we know the shopkeepers personally. If we don't have money, lots of money, we can take request that we have to pay. We can pay the 500 rupees.
Are online also provide offers?
John. 4 people have to share opinion from here.
My point of view, offline shopping is good, because if we will do offline shopping, we can check the quality of product, and we can try also product. If we do online shopping, we can't check product, and we can't know how it is quality. And if we talk about delivery, and sometimes if we do shopping in Flipkart, that time the Flipkart be buy a product. That time be Flipkart show delivery and to October, and after that delivery not delivered that on date, they extend their date. If we call customer care, they says only sorry sir, this that problem, that's why I unable to deliver your product. After that they extend your delivery date. That's my side.
Very nice.
Good evening, everyone. So first of all, I would like to give the benefits of offline shopping. The very first thing, we get the quality check on the spot with our hands.
Point to be noted.
The second one, we get the trial section where we can try out the products. If we don't like, on the spot we return it and we try out the other things. But in online, we have to wait for 3 or 4 days if we are not having any subscription of any platform for faster deliveries. And after that, going to offline shopping is not just like spending quality time with family or gala time, but the journey of going to a shop with our family members, every moment we enjoy. It can't be just be done by being a slouch potato on the home. The moments that we create when we go for the offline shopping, just like sir mentioned, the feeling of getting the air conditioned in the during the sharing hot summer season, it can't be done sitting on the sofa just beneath the fan. And apart from this, there is no security issues of getting the credit card, debit card, and all the bank details leaked in the offline shop. On the online, we are using debit cards blindly on trusting on the platforms, but we do have any idea what they are doing with our cards. Every day, in every month, we get the scam results data of how many thousand lakh peoples are out.
So
we are unaware.
One example.
Recently, the Instagram data, metadata, and the scam of Amazon. Don't you get the advertisement on Insta and just click on there here and how the product companies
you are not using, so that's
and where they are getting that and where they are getting our what we need. Whenever we search a particular product on Amazon, didn't we get the same product recommendation on Amazon, on Myntra, or on Instagram ads?
Yeah.
So the data, you are asking for the example. Just today, do a Google search or even a search of Adidas shoes on Google. The very next time you open your Instagram, within few seconds you will get the ad of Adidas shoes. The very next day you will open.
Yeah.
Exactly. If you are searching for a Bata shoes, same thing.
It is other thing.
Why it's other thing?
Sir, he is talking about the scam.
You are asking for the example. You were asking for the example. I'm just giving that.
Give the example of the scam. Wait.
I'm on the same point which you have asked. You have asked for the example. I'm just giving the real life example. Just today do it, and you will experience it. And that's all. I will share with better. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to pay my humble gratitude of Mr. Kaif sir for having me such a wonderful opportunity to sit in the debate session and present myself. So today we are gonna talk about online shopping versus offline shopping. I am in favor of offline shopping. So first point is that, like, suppose that I have to take one shirt and I have only for 500 rupees for the one shirt. And when we have reached in a market, then when we saw the lots of clothes, then I really like 2 and 3 clothes. And that time I have only for 500 rupees, and I can only for purchase one clothes. But I like 3 or 3 clothes. But in that time I can purchase 2 or 3 clothes by the pay 500 rupees, and I can also borrow shop. I can do borrow shopping in offline shopping. I easily do the shop through the online. So it is my point, sir. Thank you, all of you. And
last speaker from here.
In my point of view, in the online mode, poor people will be poor and rich people will be rich, because in this time
in the online mode, there are lots of people which job will be snatched, which job take away from the take from the other people who is doing the online shopping, and it is definitely its impact will be seen our economic Indian economics. And we should understand if we are doing the online mode, all the things will be online, and there are lots of people who think that in the online shopping we can save our money. It is a very big problem of us, because we should understand like that when the Jio SIM when come in our India, when Jio SIM came in our India, at that time its price is 100 rupees, but nowadays you can see when all the people use the Jio SIM, and they are habitual of that SIM, but like that, if we doing the online shopping, we are habitual it, and we will all the face that problems. And we should understand that when we are doing the online shopping, so indirectly we increase the GDP of other country. If I talk about Flipkart and Amazon, I know that Flipkart is situated in India, but we should understand there are 4 apps which is help of the Flipkart, and it is from the USA, and Amazon is the first rank of the India. But if Flipkart is situated in India, we should promote it, no? But we don't use Flipkart more rather than Amazon. So we can say that we are increasing the economy of other country. So we should doing the offline shopping. We should do offline shopping.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So my first point is online shopping give 24/7 service. Means we like if I want to purchase something, it is emergency for 2 o'clock night, so it is like helpful online, because offline shop are closed in that time. And the second one is replacement option is available. If I purchase something but it is not good, so I replace. And the third is all the variety are available in online shopping. These 3. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I would like to pay my humble gratitude to Mr. Kaif, sir. My name is Roshni and I am from Ayodhya. Today my topic is shopping. I am in favor of online shopping. Online shopping, according to me, online shopping is good rather than offline shopping, because in online shopping we get a option, in many options. We compare one product to many websites and many apps. And in online shopping we get extra discount to website and app. In offline shopping, if I want to purchase anything, so we will go to shop and we don't know about that product, what is this product is good or not. We will talk only shopkeeper, or they will always say ki this is good. But in offline, if I want any product, so we will check reviews and we check their ratings, it is good or it is not good. Or in offline we purchase in shop, but in online we can purchase only their website. But in offline there is possibility to that product is a duplicate, second copy, yeah, cheap product. So that's why online is good.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, respected Kaif sir. I will talk about small and beautiful benefits of offline shopping. Like in earlier times, if there was a child, he was not knowing about a lot of things. Like if he found a cycle, he was happy. But nowadays the children are scrolling a lot, and their needs are increasing day by day, and the parents are not earning more and more. So I think they are knowing more and more according to their needs. They are happy in small things and their needs are increasing day by day because of online shopping. There is a limit if you go to offline market, but there is no limit in online shopping. And one point I want to say that if anyone say that in online you check the quality and in offline you don't.
Of course you can check.
And offline you can't check quality.
You can
but
check.
there is
You can
a term,
check the
there is
limit
a-
of the product. You can check the limit of the product. Yes.
Let me speak. There is a term common sense. You can use your common sense in offline shopping because online shopping is.
Ma'am, we can use your
let me-
wisdom in the online shopping. You can use your wisdom in the online shopping.
Online shopping is happening in the society from 6 to 7 years, but earlier the offline shopping was the only mode of shopping.
But ma'am, we have to
but
say
there is a term
we
of
are living the
common sense.
21st century. We have to promote the online shopping.
Why
Yes.
we should promote online shopping?
Yes,
there are lot
because
of senior
because
citizens,
in
there are lot of
the
tribal
everywhere
areas.
online shopping is
There are
everywhere. Online shopping is everywhere.
There
Okay,
are lot
I
of
know very well.
tribal areas,
I know
there
very well
is
because I am from the rural area. There is a no good mall. There is no big shop, but there is a available of the online.
But the people are going to the cities nowadays. They are capable.
But ma'am, you know, you have data of the 65% person are living in the village area, rural area nowadays also. How can you say that the person are living in the
shopping a lot, but their
city?
needs are less, but they are shopping a lot because of online mode. I have an example. If my husband is earning 20,000, but I am in the home and I am a homemaker, but I am searching. Oh, I want to Maybelline product. I want that Lakme product. Then I am forcing him.
Ma'am, it is your problem. 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 It is your problem. Ma'am, yeah, it is your problem, na. My ummi is living the 21st century, but my ummi never said to ki I want to purchase this thing.
But today,
Why? Because she is
in
using
today's
her
time,
his
there is a
wisdom.
problem. If you earn 20,000 and your wife demands,
Then ma'am, it is your husband problem, na. Why is he earning 20,000? Why he is earning 20,000?
Everyone can't earn 2 lakh per month. Everyone can't earn.
Ma'am, it is him problem.
I saw one big car. So I will purchase this car.
Yes, I will see the Bugatti. I will see the Bugatti, Mercedes. I will take the. I want to purchase this.
You are white elephant. That's why you are buying unnecessarily.
Yes, ma'am, it is your problem, ma'am. It is your problem.
Sometimes to be a white elephant, that market is creating a lot of needs in your mind. They are playing with your mind.
Ma'am, I am saying I have no too much earning.
The same situation can be applied for offline as well.
Yes. I will go to Lulu Mall and I will see there is a good clothes. I will purchase there.
There is a limited.
Give a long list
But
of
sir,
you purchasing.
But sir, for the Lulu Mall, we cannot go every day Lulu Mall. But on the online medium, we cannot go every.
You will purchase of 1 crore rupees. How husband will deal?
It means we are using the online medium. It means we are purchasing every day 1 crore rupees.
No, we are.
Ma'am, it is your problem.
Sir,
It is your problem.
You are only
You have
creating
no of the
Mr.
control.
Fayyaz,
It is your problem.
You said that you said. Mr. Fayyaz said that online medium we can use wisdom. It means that person is using offline shopping.
First of all, she said the use of the common sense. So that's why I said.
It means that person only using the online medium. They only have common sense. That offline medium that using offline shopping don't have common sense.
Don't manipulate the situation. Okay, come to the point. Come to the point.
Any question to Saurabh, please?
Yes.
One question.
He said check product.
Saurabh and that's Saurabh as well.
Yes. Okay. Sir, this Saurabh. Okay. He said check product in the offline shopping. Sir, you know, in the online there is a multiple option. You can check the product. After that, you can buy that product. How can you say that online there is no check product? We can't check the product.
How can you check online product? How can trial?
How can try?
Yes.
You can check by numbering. How number you wear means M size, S size.
No, I'm talking about quality, product quality. If I purchase one T-shirt,
you can see the review. You can see the review images also.
Fake
available.
Fake review also available in online shopping.
Brother, you are saying that we are checking, but you are check one T-shirt and lots of people check the t-shirt. So disease are means it is a communicable disease is there.
Whenever you purchase online, one product, one negative review destroy your mind.
Brother, I am talking about means there are checking option is available. So you wear one t-shirt and it is means you are not happy, so you reject that t-shirt. फिर second person come and he also wear the, so communicable disease is there.
Yes.
How you can say that it is not available?
How can you say that, ma'am? It is online is also going on.
You are making cook and bull story.
Yes. He said the quality time, na? You said?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, you are talking about you said that the quality time, the gala time. Sir, who is taking the gala time in the crowded? You want to take the gala time, you can go the good restaurant, good hotel, you can go the other country also for the gala time. While saying about the gala time, you can go the shopping and you can take the gala time in there.
One genuine question. One genuine question. I will ask.
Yes.
For what you have asked. With your friends every evening, will you plan a gala time outside the country or in the local market?
Yeah.
He is asking about the gala time. You can go on vacations.
Sir, there is no need to the every day for gala time. There is no need to for the gala time every day.
That is the
gala time.
You said that we can have a gala time.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
He said that we can have gala time in offline shopping.
Yes, sir.
You told that we can have gala time in hotels and restaurants.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have other options as well.
Yes.
We can spend quality time. But sir, we can discuss together. But we are discussing only the shopping. We are not discussing.
Sir, we are not.
He is telling alternative of spending quality time.
Yeah. Sir, molestation is also there in crowded area.
Yes.
Yeah. I have the answer of that molestation. When do you know internet is also a bad thing? Exactly. Will you agree?
Yeah.
I'm just asking. I'm just asking. I will connect you. I will connect you to the question that you have asked. Sir, I will connect him to the question he have asked. Will you agree internet is a bad thing?
No, internet is not bad thing. Totally not bad thing. Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Then what about the news that are going on internet every day?
Sir, why are you watching that news? Why are you watching that news?
I'm just coming to your question. Is internet a good or bad thing or both?
Good.
Only good.
Sir, good, bad, both thing hai.
Both thing, exactly.
Yes.
But we don't quit using internet. Exactly.
Yeah.
But when we go, you are talking about molestation in the offline stores. So should we quit the offline shopping?
Yes.
The molestation?
Yes.
Quitting?
Yes.
We can, sir. Quitting the mode of offline shopping doesn't going to decrease the molestation rates. For the decrement of molestation rates, there should be a proper procedures, safety guards, and the things
means you are saying the safety guard. You will go for the shopping. You will take the 2 bouncer.
I'm not saying about. Man, I'm not saying about the bouncers. I'm not saying about the bouncers.
Yes, AK-47.
The molestation.
Sir, we have an option for the online shopping. We have an option for the decreasing the molestation. Then we have to use the online shopping.
Molestation decreases by better society, not quitting the offline mode.
A better society can be created when you are
yes, at your home.
And sir, what about the molestation done by the delivery boy?
Oh. Sir, very few chances.
What about the molestation?
Very few chances.
What about the
molested by the delivery boy?
It is available. Yeah.
But sir,
you are accepting that also.
Very few chances.
Many people have agoraphobia. They used to scared to go outside.
If you have agoraphobia, then you are not going to the marriages and any party, or you are coming
I
to the.
used to go, but I know everybody in marriage, but outside.
How do you know everyone in marriages? That's not possible. You know only 2 to 10 people or 15 people. A human is a social animal. If you have agoraphobia, then it doesn't mean that online shopping is the only mode that we can do shopping. You go to the market for purchase milk, maybe you are purchasing your jeans and top from the offline market. All the time you can't purchase online, na? No, it's not possible all the time. No, it's not possible. Go to outside. Maybe after the class, if you go to the outside, then you will purchase, bhaiya, 150 रुपए का ये दे दो.
Yeah, but look at her.
Okay.
She's very shy.
Okay.
Right? So how can she go for offline shopping? That's my question.
You can go with your friends. You can go. This is life. You have to defeat your fears. Alka, are you capable to purchase 28 rupees milk on Zepto all the time?
I am capable to purchase.
I have one.
Now I am living alone.
Yes.
Now I am living alone. I have no option to go outside and purchase my personal thing.
Exactly.
So I have only one option: buy online.
Means if she needs anything, she will call Ammi, come tomorrow. I have to go for shop tomorrow. So she will come, then go. What is this?
Sir, in the online mode that you are talking about, that we can all the things we can purchase by the online. It means in the all the best position for the interview, like you want to become any type of company CEO, you want to become like most precious position. So there is the need of the best communication skill, that all the types, all the talks that you can do with every person. It means there is the less communication. It means you have less communication skills. You are not able to go. You are not able to talk these type of things. Yes, sir. Sir, it's not.
Undergarments. How can you purchase?
Sir, we can send our mothers or we can change the soap also, that in all the offline soap. In the all the soap.
Yes, sir.
She can't even purchase potato.
Yes. So that is why now I am saying she should come in the offline shopping. For
She has moto angulophobia. Yes, she has agoraphobia.
Sir, what about the village girls who has not affordable mobile? Who cannot afford mobile because he is poor, belongs to poor family? Then what to do? Then how to buy? No. First of all, search on the Google. 22% people family. Yes, sir. See, I talk.
He is saying that if you don't have mobile phone, how can you order?
In every family there is phone available.
No.
Phone is available there.
You can go behind the road. Watch the poor people. She doesn't mobile. They have iPhone. No, sir. How can you say? No, sir. You travel on rich area because you have lots of money, but you never travel poor area. How you can say have more? No, sir. I am talking about the poor people.
Where?
Sir, near. No, sir. Front of the road.
They use iPhone, right?
No, sir. Don't have mobile.
Sir, if you have mentioned that you have no budget issues, then why are you raising this question?
I am raising this question because why this discrimination? In online shopping, there's no discrimination. But why this discrimination is happening in offline shopping? I want answer from.
Sir, it is right now.
No, I can't listen.
Sir, it is right now. Sir, what is the ratio of returnable on the Miso? What is the ratio of product returnable?
Oh, 100%, yes.
Yes, sir. That is why now I'm saying.
Chadri. What is time?
Because of very less quality.
According to me, online shopping is always best because online shopping many more job provide, and especially girls easy to work. Offline shopping doesn't provide equal price to everyone any product. Really, it's discrimination.
Same goes for every platform. And what about you were saying about the 24-hour facility ordering in the night? What about the late search fee that the platform put in the night? The platform, online platforms that
because
put the
time limit.
late search fee. And on the rainy day, what about the rainy day charges that they put? And if you are, if you.
Oh, thank you for giving one more point. Yes, sir. Rainy time.
Rainy time, yeah, rainy time. It's a good point, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
In the offline, we can also enjoy the nature of the. We can enjoy.
How to enjoy rainy
Zomato and Swiggy are promoting the online food.
It is not
But
online
you can-
shopping, ma'am. It is not online
If a
shopping.
delivery boy is coming, so he will not fail.
He's serving the nation. It is
So we also living our life.
Sir,
because he's serving the nation.
Sir.
He's serving India.
Sir, but sir, in a rainy season, every day would. In a rainy season, every day wouldn't like a rain happen.